I'll let you go first before me, alright?
No, it's okay, baby. That's my roommate. So, I've been trying to vlog for a while, and I've been going through a lot of health problems, and I just haven't had, you know, space in my mind to do it. But I'm sitting here eating this food, and this is like third meal I've eaten this week, where I remember the Disney vlogs. Check it out. This is amazing. I did this, and I'm like, oh my gosh, they're always doing reviews on Disney food. Check it out. But no one does a review on other types of food. Well, I'm sitting at the Four Seasons in North Hollywood. Well, I'm getting better. I have lost. Oh my God, do you know how much weight I've lost? I lost 10 pounds. It's like over 25 pounds since I've been here. I'm eating fruit, vegetables, salads, and the food is so good. Eric and this other guy is amazing cooks. And, excuse me, him and the staff take like pride in their food. And it's so good. I have my earphones on because I had an earache. I have sensitive allergies, and someone gave me something, a friend of mine, and we didn't realize one of the ingredients was nuts. That was too late, and bam, they took care of it. But it caused an earache, and there's some other things that happen to make it worse because it's life. And so I got eardrops, and I got my earphones on because it just a lively place. I mean, it doesn't feel like a nursing home at all. It feels like a house where a bunch of people are alive, and they're partying, and they're eating good food. Point proven. So this is just a quick vlog. I don't have Holly on it, but I'm just trying to get something up. Trying to get Lizzie Tea Tub going again, but Holly will be coming tomorrow. So I'll have a Holly vlog, and I'll see if I can find something with her. You know me, I always do. So I'll have something in the end of this with her voice or something, and maybe a video she's done or something, and I'll do more of a vlog. But I had to talk about this food. All vloggers seem to talk about food sooner or later. I'm in a nursing home with amazing food. Hello, I think I should talk about it. Lizzie T out. So we're watching the news about the eclipse coming up, and guess who's with me?
Hi everyone.
How you doing?
Okay.
Are you a pain?
What?
Are you a pain in the rear end? Am I a pain in the rear end? How my baby sister? I love you, Holly. So I'm eating rice cake. That's so cute. What? Say something, Holly. Say something.
I hope everyone's having a good Monday.
What do you got to tell everybody?
Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the like button, and share.
All right, guys, this is going up as a short and in a video. Bye.